Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very lucky that I and my other neighbor are invited to join the culinary competition at the NHI, which is a hotel school located in Muscat. We are the judges there, and our duty is just to eat. As usual, it is a sunny day in Muscat, and the weather is so hot, it's around 40 degrees. We arrived earlier, 1 hour before the competition, in order to find a good car park. NHI is a hotel school located in Wadi Kabir area in Muscat. It is just half an hour drive from Jebel Sifa. Jebel Sifa is where we live. As we arrive early, we have a chance to have a look of the school and refresh ourselves before the lunch starts. We're invited to our table, which is table number 7. We start with the welcome drink. It is a mix of orange juice, lime juice, and passion fruit juice. Menu is on the table. There is a QR code for you to scan to know more about the school and the restaurant. As spoken with the staff here, this restaurant is also open for public during the weekday for the lunch session. I must say, the welcome drink is very refreshing and I enjoy it very much, so does my neighbors. Apart from our table, there is other guests and some of them live in Jebel Sifa as well. Time to eat and judge. The first course is seared tuna with lemon dressing. The presentation is very good. Taste is good as well. However, I feel the tuna is a little bit overcooked. It is just my personal preference. However, I feel in general, in Oman, people tend to overcook stuffs. After the first course, I look around the restaurant and I see there are several different dishes with the number on, which are the food served to each table. So you can see the number is attached. And every table receives different food from different chefs, and they are working for different hotels. Chefs in the competition will prepare 4 portions, 1 for display, 2 for the guests, and 1 for the main judge. That is the competition about. Main course is here, is the beef scallopine. Again, I feel that it's overcooked, but I finish it because I'm so hungry. At last, we have our dessert. I would say this is fantastic and it is the highlight of the whole meal experience. With this cake, I have a cappuccino together. Meanwhile, we are patiently to wait for the results of this culinary competition. I also grabbed the last chance to have a look of all the dishes from different tables by different chefs. We also have a chance to speak with one of the staff to know how the competition works and how do they assess each participant. All chefs start at the morning around 8 o'clock and they receive the cooking material and they have to work on it by their own and create the menu at the same day. And they also have external people like us to join the lunch, so it is not really an easy competition. And mentally, they have to be very fit and they will be assessed by their hygienic level as well. Just realized before I missed the table number 3. The competition comes to an end and the result, I would say, is very impressive and very motivated for the local. This is the winner. Let's have a look of their fantastic work. I do not know the taste. However, the presentation is fantastic. Both of them are Omani and it's great to have female participants to win this competition. And the good thing is, they are the graduates of the NHI as well. At the end, we are back home to Jebel Sifa. This is a fantastic day. Thank you very much for watching.